Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Brex again. Brex, okay? So a lot of you guys may have already watched my Brex video in the past, but I'm making kind of a refresh Brex video just so you guys kind of understand, for those that haven't already signed up. When you're trying to build business credit up, if you don't already have Brex as a trade line, you should get it because it's pretty much open to anybody. You're not going to get approved. They have two different products. They have one for e-commerce, and you need to be basically doing about $250,000 a year on e-commerce websites. So that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about their other product, which kind of works like a business bank account. You fill out the application, and after you fill out the application, you pretty much get approved same day. Sometimes it only takes a couple hours, and it's kind of like a prepaid business bank account. I wish I could show you my back end, but there's too much sensitive information, so I can't really show that to you. But if you just go to Brex.com, you're going to see that you're not going to get the $250 free Amazon gift card if you don't use my link. So my link will be in the description below. But anyways, that says here, it says get a credit card, spend management software, and a business account. And there's no fees, there's no minimums whatsoever. So it's kind of like Divvy, but you're not going to get a credit line. It's like you have to load your own funds from your business bank account. But it reports to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian Small Business Financial Exchange as well. So it will help you build your business credit up. But like I said, do not go to just Brex.com. Go to my link, because my link, you'll get the actual $250 Amazon gift card after signing up and loading $1,000. You don't have to do $1,000 all at once. You can load it with $100, and then when you get the card, use $90, whatever, and so on and so on. You know, you're going to get paid once you hit that $1,000 threshold, once you've loaded $1,000 onto your Brex account. So you can see here, I'll give my link out. You'll get $250, like it says here. Brex is like a bank account without the fees, limits, or waiting. Get an account number, routing number, and credit cards in minutes. Get a $250 Amazon gift card after you spend $1,000 on your monthly card. So you get this, and you can get your employees' cards as well. And then you can control the spending, just like, say, Divvy or any of the other fintech expense management platforms, just like that. And it reports kind of like, I would say, NAV. So it's kind of reporting as a cash account, but it's reporting to Dun and Bradstreet, Experian, and the Small Business Financial Exchange monthly. So whatever you're spending, that's what's going to get reported. So if you spend, say, $1,000, it's going to report as $1,000, but it's going to report kind of like as a prepaid account. But as I said, you have to use my link. I get $250, you get $250. But if you just sign up, you're not going to get that. I'm a strategic partner with Brex. From time to time, some of you guys have signed up for it, hit the $1,000 threshold, and then contacted Brex and asked where the $250 gift card is. Brex has to contact me directly and say, is this your customer or your viewer? You know, it's a headache for me, it's a headache for Brex. So it's best just to use my link, so then it's attached and everything, and it's a win-win situation. You get the $250, I get the $250, you know, so it's like a $250 sign-up bonus. So I mean, I'll let you guys go over the actual website and stuff, but like it says here, get $250 after you spend $1,000 on your monthly card. So like I said, you don't have to do that all in 1 month. You can do it over a couple months period of time or whatever. It's just, you have to load a minimum of $1,000 and spend $1,000. You don't have to spend $1,000 all in 1 month. You can do 100, 200, or whatever, 1 month, and so on and so on, and you could get your card 3 months later, or you could do it all in 1 month and get your card right away, your $250 gift card right away. So yeah, it's very, very easy to open up an account. You know, they're just going to ask you for basic information. You don't need to put a referral code, because it's already going to have that from mine. That's already up there. So anyways, this helps you build business credit. You have a business bank account that's not building your business credit up, so why not do it? You may have other expense management platforms that are helping you build business credit up, but this is one more you can add on that will further help your business credit journey on building business credit up. Okay, so I'll have the link in the description below. Sign up for it. It's awesome. You can use it. I have both versions. With one of my businesses, e-commerce, I have the corporate account with extended credit line, I should say, and then the prepaid account as well. You know, I know both, but most of you guys, I'm sure, could only qualify for the cash account, which is fine. It helps you build business credit up. Click my link in the description. Till next time, you guys take care. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm, the video get out to a wider audience. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.